I'm Manuel Gorin. I'm the Director of Mission and Jedi at Nature's Path Organic Foods, and I'm also the implementation lead for Purpose Pledge across all 10 commitments. When we talk about commitment number 8, which is climate action, we're talking about reducing our emissions and also investing in regenerative climate strategies to reduce our impact. Climate action for Nature's Path is a reflection of our responsibility of understanding our footprint and also addressing it. Similar to other priorities and commitments on Nature's Path, climate action is going to be also centered in our values. We believe that both organic and regenerative organic are the solutions to tackle climate change if you are a food company. And for us, we have been focusing on obtaining better data, having a conversation with our suppliers, having a conversation with our farmers, with our team members to also identify practical solutions, practical steps to reduce our footprint where it's the most crucial, and also investing in programs that are aligned with our values to help farmers, to help with a phased approach invest and reduce our emissions across the supply chain with our friends, with our partners, with our community in general. The next 3 years in terms of climate actions are going to be really exciting. We have been already working with farmers to collect on-farm primary data to better assess and measure our footprint for scope 3.1, which is all connected to ingredients. And this is the first time ever that we do it in the company. We haven't done it before because the data wasn't there, the models were not there. Many emission factors that are in the industry are based on conventional agriculture, and conventional agriculture and regenerative agriculture without organic and without regenerative organic practices are still using, for all the data points, chemicals, toxic chemicals that organic farmers and ROC farmers are not using at all and are not a reflection of the actual climate impact of that farm or that commodity. So that's the number one step, actually getting closer to the data, conduct a baseline that is actually giving the credit to the organic and ROC farmers that they deserve, and also identify those investment projects, programs that are coming up for us in the innovation and CapEx pipeline that are going to help us achieve those climate transition budget targets and also reductions across the supply chain and the manufacturing locations. Another exciting thing is that once we have the baseline, once we have the numbers, the real estimates, the real approximation of the footprint of the company, we can actually set realistic targets for reductions and for growth and for investments year over year during this purpose-led journey. And again, the most exciting thing is going to be helping, connecting, learning with other brands, with other farmers, with our Catalyst ROA, with our Catalyst, the climate label certification. So to make sure that we're getting there together, and we're doing it in a value and hard-minded approach with the right people. Similar with the other 9 commitments, we know that this is an ongoing journey. We know that it's not going to be easy. No one said that it's going to be easy, but we're going to have fun. We're going to have fun. We're going to learn from each other. We're going to be transparent. We're going to learn from each other. We're going to innovate. We know that we're not perfect. Nature's Path is not perfect. We don't want to be perfect. We want to always innovate. We want to always learn from each other. And with this beautiful Purpose Pledge community, that's the big opportunity here. What can we learn from each other? What can we do together? How can we inspire the community to do better for people, for planet, for sustainable profit across the sector? And for us here, thanks to your support, we can also leave the earth better than we found it.